Spacious 2-bedroom 1-bath cooperative in desirable complex. This home has an open living room, dining area layout. The oversized primary bedroom is 18x11 and the second is 13x11. Great closet space, updated bathroom and kitchen. Maintenance includes all utilities, heat, hot water, cooking gas, electric, and re-taxes. Base maint, $857.70, guard fees, $35, appliances, $8, air conditioners $42, total equals $942.70. Flip tax/waiver of option is $32 per share, 300 shares. Building features laundry and lobby level, storage room, fee, fitness room, fee, new video intercom and buzzer vestibule entrance, park benches throughout.